putting in basically a media wing into Lee Haight Enterprises. He's crossing over. Lee's just roofers. When Grant came to me, Grant was just car dealers. He said, I want to transition. I want to help the whole world out.
A blue-collar millionaire is a self-made man. If you aren't born with a silver spoon, you got to get out there and work for it. Welcome to the journey to blue-collar millions. Yeah, it's going down in the neighborhood today. Lee had a bright idea of how we could attract the attention of the other homeowners while we're on builds inside the neighborhood. I know it might seem silly, but that's the whole point. It gets the homeowner talking about something else besides the roof. Once you both can agree that the Segway is pretty cool, it's easier to become agreeable about working together on their project as well.
The best pattern interrupt in the roofing business. How can you tell me no when I come dancing to your door? See, when you knock on someone's most intimate space, they say, get the fuck off my porch. But not when you got a Segway.
What's up, guys? We're fixing to get on a roof and show you what it's like to put a Decra stone-coated steel metal roof on. They call me a door-to-door roofing salesman and they doubt my abilities as a roofer. I'm as blue-collar as they come. Watch me and my team of master roof builders get our hands dirty. We're also going to do a Segway drone blitz. That sounds like a Peyton Manning audible, doesn't it? Well, that's when you take a drone and a Segway and you knock door to door while you're doing a Decra roof. Stay tuned. This is Blue Collar Millionaire at its finest.
Yeah, we're going out here to see my boy Kenny. He's got his whole family out here, man. He's got freaking his 2 sons and the fathers out here. Probably the best installers in the United States. Stone-coated steel products.
Kenny's a man.
Here we go, guys. We're pulling up.
Hello?
We got a storm coming in. Where's them roofers at?
Yeah, I just talked to Dustin. Kenny and the boys are around the back.
These guys, they're the best Decra roofing crew in America. Only got one weakness. They love to fish. Oh, hell, what we got going on here? God dang, Kenny.
We just got off, man. I should have got off at 12.
Yeah, we didn't eat lunch today. That's why we're fishing.
Yeah, you're very
Sushi.
Kenny, what do we got up here? We got a tough job? Is this an easy job?
You know what? It's a little cut up, but the more cut up, the better they look when we're done.
You think I can put one of these roofs on, man? I'm gonna get up there.
Yes.
Even a salesman like me?
Let me tell you something. In 30 minutes, I can train anybody to do Decra.
Why would they go with this over tile?
It's a lot cooler, 139 pounds per square, and in the hurricane, it's gonna stay.
So you've been doing roofing for how long?
Man, since I was 10 years old.
When did you start putting these roofs on?
27 years ago. This buddy of mine sent me out to do a Decra, and I did it. Here I am, 27 years later.
We got a storm coming in. Are we watertight up there?
Oh yeah, we did that this morning. We didn't want to end up like down the street.
Oh God, what happened there?
Oh, they had it wide open and they were still tearing off.
When was that?
Yesterday.
Has it flooded?
Oh my God, man, they had all sorts of tarps on that roof.
What do we gotta do? We got a new guy here. You think you could train him to help us?
You know what, man? I could train anybody to do Decra.
What do we gotta do next on this job?
Well, let's go up there.
All right.
What a privilege to get a private coaching class from one of the best Decra roof installers in America. This is a chance for us to get our hands dirty and really experience the roofing life. These guys are craftsmen. With decades of experience, they're really masters of their trade. There's all types of benefits and perks when you work with the best, including tapping into their experience and knowledge to level up your skills.
Who says a door-to-door roofing salesman can't install roofs? With Kenny, anybody can learn it, even a 10-year-old. I'm fixing to go up here and try my hand at hurricane-proof roofing. Come on.
Now, Lee's a second-generation roofer, which means he's seen a lot of different things come and go. But the benefits of stone-coated steel roofing far outweigh its competitors. And when value exceeds price is when a transaction is made. People are willing to pay more for a Decra roof system because they know they won't have to replace that roof for at least 50 to 70 years.
Here we are on site with the master roof builders. This is what it's all about. Putting on a hurricane-proof roof, saving these people after a storm. We got a storm coming in. The first step here is see if this door-to-door salesman actually has what it takes to be a roofer. All right? Now, I grew up in this business and I haven't done as much roofing as I've done selling, but this roof is easy to install and it's time to get our hands dirty. Let's go.
Lee, that snip. Time before Florida's ours. Hurricane-proof roof. I don't believe it.
Oh man,
I don't believe it.
there's no way it'll blow away, man.
Where are you from, man?
Corpus Christi and Rockport, Texas.
Rockport had a hell of a storm as well.
Yeah, they did.
How did it compare to this storm? And this is the eye of the storm. It came in like right here.
You didn't have 178 mile an hour wind.
Oh, that's what it was?
Yeah, we replaced one that was 48 years old.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because it was missing grains, a little spot. I told the man, I'm not going to say anything, but I know you cut that cedar tree, and it rubbed a perfectly good spot on that. He goes, yeah, that's what it is. I don't even know why you're replacing it. And I go, well, you know what? 3M is going to replace it for nothing.
Oh, they stand behind their word with a warranty.
Well, looks like Kenny's gonna wrap it up for the day. So we're gonna hit the streets with the Drone Segway blitz. Here's a tip. When you've already got a job going on, it's the perfect time to go ask for new business.
So y'all missed that moment, man. This Segway was absolutely perfect. 1 for 1. When I knocked the door, there's been lots of roofers talk to this guy. But he said, oh, you got one of those. Woo, that's right, baby. Sometimes it's called that Bojangles effect. You gotta do that dance to get that chance to get that Thing's total. I want you to go. You gotta go do a walk around it. A total exterior. Cagney, this man's getting his claim held up. He's already got a PA. He's got an adjuster, and his claim's getting held up. He's got 2 houses. I told him we got a 50% discount on some peel and stick underlayment. We gotta find some exterior stuff here, see if we can find a creative angle.
Looks like there might be some marks on the exterior. Sometimes even the smallest things in these systems can cause significant damage.
Well, the thing I love about this is this man has to get a roof. He's having a hard time with his insurance company. And I told him the price is going up, and it's true. There's going to be more hurricanes. He acknowledged it. He says if I can get the best price now, of course I'll do it. Whoa! Shit. I'm a rookie on this thing. Goddamn, guys. Woo! Yeah, there we go. We got the master roof builder.
Give it to me.
Oh man!
Well, you walk away.
My Segway.
I go on it and I give it to my wife.
These homeowners, you can never make them happy. You can never make them happy.
Absolutely not.
We did 2 roofs for this guy, and I tried to sell him a 3rd and 4th roof. I tried to re-roof the roof I already did. He said, no, man, I'm already taken care of. I'm like, well, man, I couldn't tell. I said, who did your job? He said, RCA, you did. What do you? What, you did.
Because that he is giving me all this.
Yeah, as long as you
up
can write it.
life.
Write it right here. Up your life,
I
baby.
can do it.
Up your life. That's what it's
Get
about.
out and I'll take it.
All right, here you go.
Hey, thank you very much.
Thank you. I'm gonna go try and finish this.
Thank you very much.
Hey, thank you.
You guys
No, you're gonna be getting Marlins tickets, 4 tickets.
4? I'll be looking.
So it turns out we've already re-roofed the neighbor's house months ago. And it's a lot easier to say yes when you've already seen somebody do a good job. And even though we did cold call his neighbor, we still gave him some tickets to the game for being a great referral partner.
Baseball.
The Marlins?
You getting a ticket for the Marlins?
Yeah, this guy right here,
Yeah.
he's a
Yeah, for referring me to you.
Is he getting $500?
Yeah, good to go into the Marlins game. He already let me do 2 roofs. He did $70,000 worth of work for
Well,
me.
you know, let me tell you this. You see what it says here, right?
Oh yeah.
How many police force and you're doing this shit here, you're in trouble with Mark Wiley. Okay. Come back, give me the contract tomorrow.
10 a.m.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Do that because I'm gonna have to.
Yeah, take care of wife. Most important thing. Thank you.
Okay, guys.
Appreciate you, sir.
Thank you. Okay, Lee, take care.
Thank you.
I'll get these tickets for you.
Love it.
Thank you.
We were successful. 1 for 1, baby. That's all it took on the Segway. That guy was the chief of the board of police. He's like, where are you from? I said, Cuba? No, I told him Bonita Court, and he's like, no, where are you really from? I said, I'm from Texas, man.
He was a tough nut engineer, but we got it.
We cracked it.
Technical specifications.
Really, it's just about saying hello. A lot of times people just want to talk to somebody that's going to have an educated conversation with them and help them with their problem. And whenever I knocked on the door, he's like, no, I'm waiting. And he saw the Segway and he's like, oh, you got one of those, fun. I'm like, yeah, come on, take a look. The Segway Drone Blitz was a success. Closed the deal. He's got 2 roofs. We actually tried to sell his neighbor a roof, and we had already roofed it, both of his houses. So then at that point, I had to give him a referral fee, 4 Marlins tickets for 2 more roofs, and for a good referral. That right there is gonna wrap up today's episode. Mike Nass, our executive producer, Alan Charity putting together the video mix, Cagney Rogers, the licensed public adjuster, and Decra Master. Catch y'all next episode.
Hollywood, here he comes.
Watch out!
Next week.